Today we are singing our hello song in our greenhouse.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm wonderful. I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good.
Smile.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
And again.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Hello there. Today we are in a garden and in an orchard, and it's very, very sunny and warm. It's not very hot and it's not very cold. And look, today we will find out where bees live. So look here. What can you see? You can see many, many trees, and there are a lot of fruit trees as well. But look, right here and here, there are a lot of beehives. Do you know what lives in a beehive? What animal lives in a beehive? Very well, it's not a lion, it's not a dog, it's not a snake, it's a bzzz. It's a bee. And here there are many little bees, but we have to be very, very careful to so that they don't get angry and that they don't sting us, okay? So I will show you something, but before we do it, we have to put on a very special outfit, and I will show you it to you in 3, 2, 1, go. And there I am. Look, I have got a big, big hat, a big, big hat, and a net, a net, a net, and a big coat, a big coat. Now, I am very, very safe, and we can go a bit closer and see the little bees. So come with me, but be quiet. Shh, quiet, quiet. Let's go here. Look. These beehives are old, very, very old. But there are still little bees. Do you see? And these bees work very, very hard. They work the whole day. They wake up in the morning. They work in the afternoon. They work in the evening. And then at night, they go to sleep, just like you. Do you want to be a beekeeper just for a moment? And I bet you want to know what a beekeeper, so a person like me, what this person sees from behind this whole outfit. So, 3, 2, 1. See? This is what the beekeeper sees. So there is a net and everything is a little bit blurry, but he can still see everything. So all of the beehives and all of the little bees. and everything is fine and very, very safe. When the bees are thirsty and they want to drink some water, gul 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 gul, gul 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 gul, they come here on this very handmade machine. Come closer and look. There is a big bucket of water. Here there is a tap, and there are little drops of water falling on this wooden part, and the water goes here and here and here and here, and the little bees fly here. Bzzz. They sit down and they drink from these little holes. Gul 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 gul, gul 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 gul, and then they can. Oh, look! Maybe we can see there is a little bee. No, we can hear the bees, but now they are not very thirsty. And what do the bees eat? When a bee is very, very hungry, it is flying, 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 and looking for a little flower. They sit on a flower just like that. Oh, do you see? There is a bee. It's working and eating. Nom, 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 nom. What a hungry bee! But when a bee takes this pollen with her little legs and hands, it is flying back to home, so back to a beehive, and they are making it into honey that you know. Do you know honey? Yes, you do. And honey is very, very sweet, and you can put it on some bread and on some ice cream, and you can also put it to a cup of tea. Let's learn a few facts about bees. So, question number 1, and you can look how the bees work in the meantime. Question number 1, what color is a bee? A bee is yellow and black, yellow and black, or yellow and brown, yellow and brown. Very good. Question number 2. What size is a bee? Is it big? Is it small? Or is it tiny? Very well. It is tiny. Very, very tiny. Question number 4. What can a bee do? Can a bee jump? Can a bee swim? Or can a bee fly? A bee can fly, and they are flying very, very fast. A bee has got one big queen. There is a queen, and this queen can lead and can say, all of you small bees will go to flowers that are yellow, and to flowers that are blue, and to flowers that are white. And all of these bees fly around and they look for little flowers, and they sit, and they take some powder, and they fly back to the beehive. This beehive is number 3. And every time a bee from a beehive number 3 goes back to the same beehive, so to a beehive number 3, it cannot go to any other beehive, because the guards will say, no, we are not letting you in. Go back to your own beehive.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go. Goodbye, goodbye. I don't wanna go.
Now, two hands.
See you later, alligator. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.